guys, welcome back. So I changed my bag again, and I just wanted to show you guys what fits in this bag, because I showed you guys the unboxing of the red leather mini tote bag from Marc Jacobs. She's so cute, right? Goes right along with my cute floral dress. I love everything with flowers on it, so yeah. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what I was able to fit in this bag, and surprisingly I was able to fit quite a lot, so I'm excited to show you guys. So first things first, I was able to fit my iPad Air in it. So I was able to fit that completely in there, so that tells you how quite sizable it is. I got my iPhone 13 in there as well, the mini size. I was able to fit my pouch in it, and as you know, I carry like mask, wipes, and different miscellaneous things like lip gloss and stuff like that in there. My sunnies, of course. I was able to fit my, oops, almost dropped it, my mini deodorant that I always carry with me. I was able to fit my Gucci purse, well, my wallet slash purse. It actually comes with a keychain, but I don't really use the keychain quite often. I was able to fit my mini Versace Crystal Noir perfume in there. I have some ginger mints. These are really tasty. They have a little bite to it. Then I was also able to put some Olive PM in here as well. And it's crazy, I actually watched a video yesterday that said that if you take these after you drink, you'll wake up refreshed. That's new. I don't really drink like that. As you guys know, I work out, so I can't say for sure if that works or not, but maybe one day I'll try it. I have some hand sanitizer in here as well. I was able to fit my AirPod case in there, and then I have it looks like some placards and some receipts. Yeah, some placards to floss my teeth with, and a pen. That's about it. I have a few things in the pocket, another lip gloss. I have one of these little mini clickers if I want to take like some pictures hands-free with my camera. And then I have another Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And then I always have these like little Crystal Light packets, so I can always be drinking water. I don't drink juices or sodas anymore because of my workout journey. I don't want to mess it up in any way. It's crazy because like I can control myself with the liquid calories, but when it comes to food, I'm all in. Like yesterday, low-key, I had like 3 slices of pizza with my son. He wanted some pizza yesterday, so I ate it with him. There's no point in wasting food. But yeah, that's everything that's in my bag. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and you have a blessed day.